Hi, this is Jen Hagna with Byron Public Schools in Byron, Minnesota. And I'm excited to showcase a new app / opportunity we have here at Byron for our users. And if you notice, I just clicked on Pocket Cloud here. And what Pocket Cloud does is we installed earlier this week, we installed a RDS server, remote desktop server. And what that will allow me to do is to log into this server and access a Windows interface. And so while you're thinking, well, what's the big deal about that, running Windows on an iPad? The cool thing is I can use full browsers on the iPad, which means Google Apps, the full functioning Google Apps. I can use web pages that have Flash in them or Java. And so I just want to demonstrate how this all works. So here's Chrome. Right now we only have Chrome and we're only doing this. This is a pilot. This is something we're trying out. But here's the Chrome browser, and I'm just going to go ahead and go into Google Drive just to show you what it looks like. And once I log into Drive, I can see all of my documents. But for instance, before on the iPad, you really couldn't do a collaborative presentation. And even though Google Docs and spreadsheets worked fairly well on the iPad, there may have been some tools that weren't available, or it just didn't work very well. So for instance, here's a presentation that I created, and I did create it right in this environment on my iPad. I can go ahead and easily insert new slides. I can share with colleagues or whomever. I can do all of those things. And yesterday we tested this. I shared a presentation, and we had 6 or 7 people, on this presentation. Now, there's some things that you need to know, though. For instance, I just clicked this text box, and usually when you're on the Apple side and you click text box, the keyboard automatically appears. But that's not the case here. So I have to use the keyboard that comes with the remote desktop app. So, hello. And then I can minimize that. There's a lot more features here that I haven't played around with it a whole lot, but it is nice that you can now get the full browser on the device, and theoretically we should be able to get any Windows application on the device. So I'm saying like Microsoft Office, so on and so forth. So because when teachers log into this system, they will be able to access their files that they have stored on our internal servers. So that's just a little showcase. I just wanted to show you that what this looked like. Again, we're just piloting it right now. We're not fully launching it right now. We have some teachers using it, but eventually we're going to try to pilot it in a classroom with 30 iPads just to see about performance and those kinds of things. So a few of you wanted me to share it, and